Hi guys! Good evening! Luto po tayo ng ampalaya. Gusto ko magluto ng ampalaya guys, maraming oil. At pinapatigas ko yung ampalaya, oil and refrigerator guys. Yan. Kaya that's why my oil is like that. Like a butter. Because if I do that, I control the oil and the sauce. Ayan. Luto po tayo guys ng ampalaya. Ayan, natunaw na siya. Ayan na po. Luto po tayo. Wait lang. Tapos, ilagay natin ang bawang or garlic. Kaya garlic. Then after garlic, yan. And then after garlic, onion. Yan, like that. Guys, tingnan nyo guys, ang sarap. Yan na siya guys. Yan. Kailangan lutuin muna ng mabuti yung onion. Wala akong ano eh. Mahina yung ano ko eh. Apoy. Yeah, that's why guys, I like the stove I use because my stove is friendly. You hear that guys? Have sounds if I flash, if I adjust the heat. Like that. Yan. Yan. Tapos, add na natin yung ampalaya. Kinakamay ko lang siya, guys. I'm using always my hands because I control the like that.